In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to empty your Dropbox trash. If you're looking to free up some space or simply keep things tidy, this guide will walk you through the process step by step. Let's get started by navigating to your Dropbox homepage. Once you're on the Dropbox homepage, you'll see a menu on the left-hand side. This is where you manage your files, photos, and more. To begin the process of emptying the trash, look for the option labeled Deleted Files, which is typically nestled in the left corner of the interface. Once you've spotted it, click on Deleted Files. This will take you to a new screen dedicated to all the files you've previously deleted but haven't permanently removed yet. On this screen, you'll find a list of files that are sitting in your Dropbox trash. If you're looking to delete everything at once, there's a simple way to do that. Just look for the little checkbox next to the name heading at the top of your list. Clicking this box will select all of the files in your trash at once, saving you from having to click each one individually. Now that all your files are selected, look for the Permanently Delete option. This is generally located somewhere at the top or at the Options menu, and clicking it will prompt Dropbox to prepare to erase these files permanently. However, don't worry about mistakes just yet. Dropbox will ask you to confirm your decision before proceeding. Once you click Permanently Delete, a pop-up window will appear on your screen. This is Dropbox's way of making sure you really mean to get rid of all those files permanently. At this point, you'll need to enter your Dropbox password to confirm the deletion. This extra step helps ensure that only you or someone else with your password can permanently delete your files, adding a layer of security to prevent accidental or unauthorized deletions. After you enter your password, it's time for the final step. You'll see a Permanently Delete button within the pop-up window. Go ahead and click that button. This will finalize the deletion process, and all the selected files will be permanently removed from your Dropbox. Take note that once files have been permanently deleted, they cannot be recovered. So double-check if you need anything before you take that final step. And that's it. You've successfully emptied your Dropbox trash. This process not only helps you manage your storage more effectively, but also ensures that your Dropbox remains organized and clutter-free. Thank you for following along, and I hope you found this guide helpful. If you did, feel free to check out our other tutorials for more tips and tricks on managing your digital life.